Feeding the tummy and the soul. MTN's John Amy found a great project, and he has a live report from our Butte studios. John.
Well, Donna, as you know, many rural areas like Sheridan are getting hit hard by the COVID-19 virus right now. In fact, it even closed down a very important senior lunch program in Sheridan. But some local volunteers stepped up to make sure this program keeps going. COVID-19 forced the temporary closure of Sheridan Senior Center last week and stopped the community's daily senior lunch program. But a local restaurant and volunteers jumped into action and continued making lunches and delivering to the seniors around the Ruby Valley.
I really love to be able to do things like this. A lot of these seniors really depend on this food and the social interaction, even that little bit of having someone stop by their house and deliver.
When there was a need for delivery drivers, members of the community didn't hesitate to volunteer.
I think we have an awesome community here. Just amazing, amazing people. I just asked, I made phone calls and people said yes.
And I found people very loving and supportive of me. And so now I want to give back to the community and being loving, supporting of them.
Small communities like Sheridan were initially spared when the coronavirus first hit Montana in the spring. Now the virus is hitting these rural areas hard. That's why staff at the Ruby Valley Medical Center started the Elder Liaison Program to have volunteers make daily calls and deliveries to seniors in the region to check on their welfare and their needs.
So we're trying to fill those gaps for those folks and make sure that they know that somebody cares, somebody's listening. They can call us if they need us. We can answer medical problems.
The Ruby Valley is very rural and spread out, so this kind of service is very important to the many elderly citizens who live in this community.
I think the main thing is our community is showing that they care. None of this has to do with money. It's just people's open hearts and willingness to take care of their neighbors.
Now, if you're in need or you know somebody in need, just contact the Shovel and Spoon or the Ruby Valley Medical Center for help. And that's Story from Butte. Reporting live, John Amy, back to you.
Thank you, John, as usual.